Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to get traffic to your website on sports bloggers. So some of my subscribers on my YouTube channel asked me to make a video on how to get traffic on their sports blog. So this is just for sports bloggers. I'm also a sports blogger, I blog on football. So getting traffic to your blog is one of the major challenge being faced by all bloggers, everybody. So because the more traffic you get to your blog, the more money you get, sure you get. So and these are challenges that if even Facebook is looking for traffic, Google is looking for traffic, Twitter is looking for traffic. That's why they are promoting their products. You can see Google promoting their product on Facebook ad, Facebook promoting their products on Google. So all these big brands are looking for traffic. So this is what they are going to. Is a challenge. You understand? And there is no limit. There is no point that you will reach and you say maybe you are satisfied. Maybe you are getting 10k traffic every day and you're okay with that. When you meet a particular point, let's say 10k traffic a day, then you aim at getting 20. So you keep on increasing your limit. So there is no limit to number of traffic that you can get. You understand? But you need to start. So you need to understand that this is a challenge actually, and this is what you build from time to time. You build your traffic, you build your audience. You understand? So it's not something that you wake up one day and start getting 100k traffic per day. No, you need to build it. So for sports bloggers, the first place to get your traffic is from Facebook group. That's the first place. So I know how to do that. The challenge most new bloggers have is to get the money to pay to rent groups. That's the major challenge. So but once you able to rent an active group, don't just go, and because sometimes people will meet me, tell me that they want to rent my group. When I tell them the price of renting my group, they will tell me that some people uh, charge less. Yeah, you can actually get less money to rent some groups, but you know that before renting any group, check how active those groups are, because they are dead groups. There are Facebook groups that are dead groups. You can see groups that are maybe million members, but when you post your link, you cannot get any even you not even get any click to your website. You understand? So the first place to get immediate traffic is through Facebook groups. You understand? You rent a Facebook group. If you don't have money to rent Facebook group, you can negotiate with the admins. You can beg the admins. If the admin accepts you, then you can start posting on those groups. But if the admin don't accept, then the another way you can even engage posts on comment sections, but that's not effective. It's just a waste of time. But the best is to rent group. Try and raise money with 5k. There are some admins that can accept 5k, some can accept 10k per month. So but when you rent those groups, try and because this is a business, you build audience. Because if you keep on renting group for the next 1 year, let's assume that you rent a group 10k every month. So in 1 year you will spend 120,000 in renting groups. If after 1 year, if after spending that 120,000 on groups, you are not able to build your own group, you see, you keep on spending like that. When I started blogging back then in 2019, I rent group, I pay for groups. But when I pay for those groups, as I'm promoting my website, my blog, I'm also building my own blog. Once you rent a group, the admin will allow you to share any link. So you create your own group, start promoting that your particular group, share your group. Maybe at weekend you post on your group, then share that particular the post on your group on other group that you have already rented. By that means you are building your own group. also promoting your blog. You are using two stones to kill one thing. So in anything you do, try to build your own audience. It will save you costs in the future. Then as you are promoting your group, also build your own page. Then you start promoting it. But getting a free group will be hard. You understand? Getting a free group will be hard. So you try and raise money and rent group. You can contact me. I have a Manchester United group that I'm renting, so you can contact me. So just tell me that you are my subscriber. I'll be giving you a discount. Once you tell me that you are my subscriber on YouTube, I'll be giving you a discount for being my subscriber. That's only apply for the first month. Then apart from Facebook group, apart from getting your this thing from Facebook, another way is through Twitter. Yeah, Twitter is mad. So once you post on trending stuffs, as a football blogger, there are always a trending story on football. There's always a trending story. So what you need to do, as we are on transfer market now, if you go to Twitter now, you can see maybe Greenwood is trending, Chelsea is trending, Manchester United is trending, all these things that is trending. You put the hashtag. You don't even need to write a particular post regarding that particular trending topic. No, you don't necessarily need to do that. What you need to do, copy your title, add the trending word there. Maybe if Greenwood is trending, you can add it to your title, then add a hashtag Greenwood, something like that, and put in your link. It converts, free traffic. You're going to get traffic from there. If you're able to put 10 posts every day, put 10 different posts every day with 10 different trending story, by the end of the day, you'll be getting like close to from 500 to 1,000 links on your blog, on your post, and is a nice way to start. Is actually a nice way to start. So apart from Twitter, then another where you can get another traffic immediately from your blog is Reddit. When I started blogging, I normally get Taiwan traffics from Reddit. But the issue there is that although I get free traffic from there, so then as time goes on, the moderator and all that, they start blocking bloggers for self-promotion. But there are other free groups that you can join, subreddits that you can join to promote your blog. You understand? So and some Reddit groups, subreddit that you join, they have some requirements for you to meet before you can start sharing your links there. So what you need to do, just to be patient, meet those requirements, you can start promoting your group. So and know the kind of articles, because know the kind of articles that you promote on Reddit. You understand? Not like Facebook group that you can put anything and be open-minded to accept criticism, because when you post on Facebook, they are going to cost your life. So as a blogger, you need to welcome all those things, and you don't even need to reply those comments. Do you understand? So but on Reddit, that one is a different case. If you post something that goes against the group, they automatically ban you. You stop posting on it, and that's what affected me. So I stopped posting on most of the subreddit group that I have then. So that's another way you can get immediate, like instant traffic from, you understand, in Reddit groups. Then apart from that, you can also get traffic from Nairaland if you're in Nigeria, but recently you need to pay to post on Nairaland. But before, I think they just updated that recently. So I think for football fans, I think it's either between 1,000 to 3,000 per week. That's amount you pay to post on Nairaland sports niche. You understand? You can, if you have the money, you can pay that. You understand? Just pay and start posting your link on Nairaland. So that's where I get my traffic. Although when I started newly, I even source about Pinterest traffic, but those Pinterest traffic is not forthcoming, because you know that Pinterest is a search engine like Google. So it's only when people search for that particular topic, that's when you get your traffic. So, but you know that if you are blogging on sports, something that has time, you are blogging on news. You understand? You're blogging on trendings. So you don't need people to actually search. It needs to where you post your link and get immediate traffic. And where you can get that is actually from those groups, those communities. That's where you can actually get that. And remember that anything you are doing, try to build your own audience. As you start building audience, you build audience. It's like you are building house. It's a gradual process. But if you have the money, you can even run Facebook ad and get read. Have an email list of footballers, so you can share out email list. Then you can even integrate that on your own blog. So this was how I generated my own traffic from my own blog post traffic. So you can also implement that on your own blog. So with this, you will get instant traffic to your sports blog. You understand? So I think I've made some useful information. I dropped some useful information here. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, especially bloggers, if you're bloggers and you have not subscribed to my channel, you're missing out on a whole lot of things. So do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends so that other people can also benefit from these testimonies and know how you can tackle everything. So if you have any other video that you would like me to produce regarding blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube, anything relating to internet as a whole, just let me know in the comment section so that I'll consider making that video on my next release. So do have a nice day. So thanks for watching this video.